Oh, I didn't see you push play there. How are you guys doing today? Well, today we're going to do a little experiment about buoyancy. For this experiment, we'll just need a few household items. We'll need 2 cups, 2 eggs, water, salt, and measuring spoons. There are 2 things we must do before we start this experiment, though. First, we need to ask your parents, guardians, or staff for permission to use the previously mentioned items. Second, we have to wash our hands. So come and join me as we wash our hands. So let's wash our hands. Since we finished washing our hands, let's go ask for permission to use the kitchen stuff. So we're here to ask, hey Mom, can I use the eggs?
Yes.
Now that we got permission, let's go get the items we need. You can push pause here so you can go get your stuff while I go get mine. Okay, and now that we got our supplies, 2 clear cups, 2 eggs, water, salt, and a measuring spoon. So the first step that we're going to do is we're going to get our cups and we're going to fill them about equal amounts of water. So let's see if they're equal. Yeah, just about. Maybe we can fill it up a little bit more. That looks good. So next we're going to have 1 cup without salt and 1 cup with salt. So let's add some salt. Okay, we'll have 1 cup with salt and 1 cup without salt. Let's move the cup without salt. So first what we're going to do is we're going to put 5 tablespoons of salt. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's look at how cloudy that is. It's so full of salt compared to the one without salt. It'll help us tell the difference between the two. Next, we're going to stir it up to dissolve as much salt as we can. All right, so let's put our 2 cups together. Okay, what do you think will happen when we put an egg in the water without salt? Do you think it will float at the top or sink to the bottom? You can push pause and you can make a guess. All right, now let's test it out. Ooh, it sank all the way to the bottom. All right. Now let's see. Let's put the egg in the salt water. What do you think will happen? Do you think it will sink to the bottom or float to the top? Well, let's find out. It's floating at the top. Let's see if you guys can see that. It's right there at the very top. Okay. So the reason why the saltwater egg is floating is because it is denser than the freshwater egg. And dense means just that there's more stuff in the water. So in the salt water, there's water and salt. And in the fresh water, there's nothing. So the salt water, the salt kind of acts like a pillow. So like when you rest your head on the bed, and if you don't have a pillow, your head's going to be a little bit lower. But if you rest your head on the pillow, your head will be a little bit higher than the rest of the bed. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's little science experiment, and have a great day.